Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to export videos in CapCut using your PC. Okay, so right here, after editing your videos and you want to export this one, you just have to click on the export option at the top. And right here, you can see the size or the estimated size of your video. And right here, you just have to type out your title. So for me, I'll be typing out final output for this one, and you can choose the folder where you want to export your video. So for me, I will leave this one as it is. And after that, you can see the video exporting options. So of course, the resolutions. You just have to select the resolution that you want. So you've got a lot of choices right here. And then after that, you just have to click on bitrate. So you can choose recommended, higher, or customize. So for me, when you go to higher, of course, the size will increase. So I'll just going to choose the recommended one. And then after that, you can see the codec. So for YouTube videos, you can choose the H.264. This is the best for YouTube content. For the format, just click on the MP4. And for the frame rate, you can choose 30 FPS or 60. So if you've got a nice device, of course, you can choose a 60 FPS. Now, don't forget to export audio as well. So just click on this box and then click on the MP3 for the format. After that, you just have to click on the export and wait until the process is complete, and you just have to check that in your folder. Right here, you can see the details of your video while exporting. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.